Hey, what's up? Bertrand Tech Man coming back at you with another video. Now, I got a lot of questions about the Duralast 800 jump starter. So in this video, I'm going to do a full review. Let's check it out. So the Duralast 800 Insta Power jump starter is a heavy-duty jump starter. You have heavy-duty cables and clamps. It's made out of hard plastic. It weighs 8.9 pounds. It's built like a tank and will last anywhere from 4 to 7 years. Now, this jump starter is a portable power unit designed to quickly start sports vehicles and 4 to 6 cylinder cars, as well as charging your devices. You can get this for about $89. A link will be in the description below. The main features are a built-in light, 2-amp USB port for charging, swivel AC plug, on and off light switch, hookup, safeguard, alarm. Now on the front of the device, you have your LED work light. You have your on and off switch. You have 3 battery indicators, one being 30%, 50%, and fully charged. And in order to check your battery's power left, press this button and it will show you how much charge you have left on your battery. Now, to use the power light, of course, turn the button on and off. If you wanted to charge your device, you simply plug your USB Type-C cable into this, like so. Take your device, plug it in, turn the power on, and boom shakalaka, you're charging. If you wanted to use the 12 volt, you simply put your plug in there and then you can use the 12 volt port. The clamps are heavy duty. Both your positive and your negative clamps are heavy duty. On the back, you have your swivel power plug. Now you'll notice that in order to use this, you will have to connect it to some type of power cord. Take your power cord, firmly place it on. When you see it flashing like that, that means that it is fully charged. Now, let's hook this bad boy up and see how good it works. Then you want to take your negative charge, you want your positive charge, and you want to connect it to the positive. You want to take your negative charge, connect it to the negative, and you'll see it's going to light up. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to turn this on, and then you go inside and you crank the car up. So after you hooked it up, then the next thing you want to do is, of course, come in and it starts. Now you want to turn it off, disconnect the negative, disconnect the positive, and you're done. Now this has been a full review of the Duralast jump starter. Now keep in mind, this is a jump starter and not a charger. One of the questions that I constantly got was whether or not it could charge your battery. No, this does not charge your battery. It jump starts it. Now, I would recommend this to anyone who wants to keep this in their car just in case they have an emergency where they need to jump start it. You can find a link in the description below. You can get it for $89. If you found any value in this full review of the Duralast 800 jump starter, Help a tech brother out. Give me a like, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, share and comment. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.